Hello, this is Cooper from Weather for BMW, and today we're going to be going over a lot of iDrive 8 tutorials. This is going to be one of many videos. This is our cruise control. Our cruise control can be turned on with this button right here. You can adjust the speed up and down. If you push it up firmly, that's going to be in 5-mile-per-hour intervals. Set will bring you down to the speed limit or bring you up to the speed limit depending on your speed. Mode will switch between the active cruise control or it'll switch between the actual steering assistant, depending on what you'd like. Over here, we have two things. We have our media, as well as we have the ability to change our display. So we have volume up, volume down. We have our music to switch between the medias, Sirius XM presets. Rotate this dial to switch. You can also push right or left. If you want to switch to the actual songs, you can press in to select. We have this button right here. This will actually adjust the display. So we can toggle to the right and we can actually rotate through different displays, rotate down into different displays, like our range. Moving on, this is how you answer and hang up phone calls. This is your voice activation. For BMW, you tap, or if you're using CarPlay or Android Auto, you hold it down. And this was Cooper from Weather for BMW with a iDrive 8 tutorial.